Hi there, welcome back to Outflow Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos. I try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about KnowledgeNet.ai, which is basically a platform which helps you with your outbound strategy. However, um, looking at the actual headline is not very clear what they do. I think it's not a very clear headline. They say turn insight into export, and there's a more specific headline might help them, especially here. They say AI Engage bridges the gap between sales enablement strategy and the revenue execution. That's not very clear. I think they need to refine the messaging on the headline. But other than that, they've got some really powerful credibility elements in terms of the stats that they've been able to achieve for the like, clients. And then here they go more in depth about how they help specific types of avatars. Here they've got more comparisons about what they're able to do, which that makes them stand out from the competition, and again more benefits. So here what we can see is some really good case studies, even though I'm trying to think if they actually put the name of the actual okay, yeah, it's good. So every case study here actually has the name of the company that we need to help. So this is really good in terms of the of the actual um credibility elements. Okay, it is good. So if we scroll down again, we can see more stats, and they've got another element of credibility in terms of the brands that they've been able to help. Potentially adding this higher up the page might have been more helpful because um, we can see that um, well, these are very powerful elements, right? It would be more helpful for conversion rate to have them higher up the page. And then that is it. One thing that they could have done is also add a frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page in order to um, handle any objection that a prospect might have, and potentially also have a contact form at the top of the page to increase the number of opt-ins by giving away some lead magnet or any incentive like a freebie or a discount. But other than that, this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like help with increasing your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call with me, and I'll see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.